Hi, so I want to show you how we're using Google Forms and Google Docs at Sacramento New Tech High School to help with our workflow and communication amongst staff. So on our home page, if we go to this tab right here, just under it, we have a password protected, kind of like an intranet page for staff resources. And so when I click there, it loads. I've already entered the password and it's saved it on my device, but right here you see protected. If the password had not been in there, it would have asked for the password. So these are some of the forms we use. We use a positive referral form. So this one gets filled out when somebody catches a student doing something well. After this gets filled out and the form is submitted, then an email goes to the entire staff. So using the form with the sheet and the add-on form mule, we can send the staff an email, and then that way everybody can celebrate the successes of that student for that day and that moment in time. The old way, we had a paper referral form, and now the administrator got this paper, and you've got this stack of papers, and how do you recognize the kid? This was a quick and easy fix for that. Our discipline referral, same thing. It goes through a form using Form Mule. When this one is submitted, everybody in the office, the office staff, the administrative assistant staff, administration, counselor, and the teacher, the submitting teacher, get a copy of it when it's submitted for documentation purposes. That way, administration is able to look at the Google Sheet and keep track of all of the referrals in one place. So regardless of where an administrator might be in the building, or maybe an administrator sick, the other administrators are notified, and we've got one place we can look to see where all referrals are and where they are in the process. School-wide phone call log. So we've made a commitment to have every teacher make 5 positive phone calls a week. We log those here. Any phone calls of concern also get logged here. So we have a running total as a school for how often we're communicating by phone with our families. No email or script on this, just a form populating a sheet for data collection purposes. Timberwolf of the month. So using the autocrat script, this gets filled out, and when it gets filled out, and I'm going to see if I have a sample to show. So if we go into student recognition, and so what happens is this is the template. So teacher fills it out, and right here you can see the double caret. So the student's name would get populated, the teacher's name would get populated, and the comments. So this is just a standard form that gets populated on form submission, and then a folder, as you can see right here, that's shared with the office staff, gets generated, and then that way the office assistant can just print these, admin can sign them, and once a month they're ready to go. It's a way to automate a process that took time before, and really either kept us from doing it or always had us being late doing it. Sorry about the background and the noise. So that's the Timberwolf of the month. Work order requests, same thing. This one goes to our front office staff, and they use the district office referral system. But this way, we've got one site-based spreadsheet with all referrals for work order, and we can do weekly check-ins with the district office to see, when the work has been completed, and communicate with our staff. So you can really create a form for anything that you're working on. It'll help eliminate email. We're also using running Google Doc for our meetings for the year. So you can see every time we have a meeting, we just have one document that is just ongoing and running, and it has all of our notes for the year, all of our links, all of our videos, all of our conversation, and we can go to, okay, what did we do on August 8th in our second one? So who was present, what did we talk about, what did that day look like? And we're also doing that for our ELAC, our leadership, and school site council. Throughout the year, as other needs arise, we will add more resources and potentially more forms or meeting notes or anything else that we might need to more effectively function as a school. I hope that helps, and that's just one way that we're using Google Apps for Education to improve our practice. Have a great day.